What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on a birthday cruise up to Angeles Crest. Me and the homies met up, Chris and Beamer fam. We're gonna meet up with a bunch of other cars. The homie Marlon with this V10 Huracan twin turbo shoots the craziest flames, guys, like big ass massive flames. And I've been wanting to see this thing in person, and I want to see this thing spit nasty flames. So right now we're about to meet up with a bunch of other homies down by Angeles Crest, and then we're gonna go up on this little canyon run. So hope you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys when we get there. Unfortunately, this one got messed up, this little frameless mount. So this is how I put on the plates, guys, when I swap them back and forth. But the homie Chris came through, shout out to Chris, and we got new replacements. So this one is not working for some reason. We gotta take this one off. This one is still good. This one is, these are brand new. So bro, why do cars come through here? They know they're not gonna, they barely fit in this shit. Or is it, why am I parked right here? You guys remember the homie Chris from the last vlog? Beautiful individual F80 M3 comp. And he recently switched up the wheels to the Heritage Edition wheel comps. A super clean F80. Beautiful color. Super clean M4 straight piped. Hella loud, but also very, very clean at the same time. As you can see, also got the OLED style tails. Sheesh. Just met up with everybody. Oh my god, dude. Guys, we need a supercar ASAP. Get rid of the GTS, just get a Huracan, call it a day. We got the Rari, we got another Lambo. Oh my gosh, dude, another twin turbo Lamborghini. Bro, this is crazy. I think he's kicking us out. But dude, this shit is crazy. Oh my god. That is insane. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, dude. Literally gas station takeover. Beautiful Lamborghini Huracan, twin turbo by Sheepy Race. This thing shoots crazy, massive flames, guys. As you guys can see that bumper, look at that. Insane. Look at this shit. This shit is crazy. Look at that tire setup. Oh my gosh, dude. Tonight is gonna be crazy, I swear, guys. Yes, yes, yes. We going. Don't worry.
Calm down. Calm down.
We're putting gas. Calm down.
Leave it. You don't like it?
All right, let's roll. Let's just go then. Let's go. Going this way? Bro, these cars are so sick. Alright guys, the goal for 2024, supercar. Be rich, supercar. supercar owners, you know. Even though we're in the little BMW, but even, bro, it just sounds insane, bro. Bro, you don't want to mess with that. Hell no, Marlon's gonna burn my bumper off. Everybody's tripping out, bro. Holy shit.
He's like,
Guys, like, look to the front. Bro, this shit makes my car look like a 428. All these cars are... Oh, what? Guys, this is insane. Listen to that thing, bro. That shit is no joke. Oh my god. I feel like I'm driving a 428 around these guys. Alright guys, we parked up right now. I think we're gonna get some food and then we're gonna go up Angeles Crest. I think there's an accident up Angeles Crest. So we wanna let the traffic die down. Some of the homies got lost. I don't know where the heck they parked, but we're about 30 feet underground, guys.
We were supposed to go to the keg.
Waiting for some of my damn.
Oh, that's so long.
Guys, another parking lot. We're gonna wait for more cars to pull up. It's gonna be a crazy night. Alright guys, so this is the other meetup spot we're about to meet up at. We got more cars over here. Sheesh, we got an E60 M5. Big ballin'. We got the homie Michael pulled up on us. We're cruising with the big boys tonight, guys. Look at that, we got Ferraris. We got Lambos, not just Lambos, but twin turbo. He literally said I'm poor. Maserati, twin Turbskis. Oh my god, bro. It almost burned his bumper off. That's insane. Oh my god. That's literally insane. Alright guys, so we're about to go to, I think there's like a meet, one of these races. We got the homies with us. I don't even know if I can keep up with these guys, honestly, guys. These fools are way too fast. We're gonna try though. They were supposed to exit this exit. I don't know where the heck they went.
Not enough.
Everybody trips out on this car. It's tires, guys. Crazy, yo. Oh, there's a CHP over there, guys. Radar. That's probably one of the
They
like the Zircons. I like the whole body kit it has. Got the Vorse center from bumper, the hood, the fenders, side skirts, the wing. It looks so good. Crazy ass diffuser. If I had a Huracan, guys, this is exactly how I'd have it set up. I think it looks perfect. The whole like aggressive diffuser, the wheels, the fitment, everything is sick. That full red interior is insane. Oh my god. I feel like if you get a Ferrari, you gotta get the full red interior. Big homie Sean pulled up on us? Okay, okay. So clean, guys. Rich. Hopefully one day, guys, we'll be in one of these cars. Later. So clean. 488.
No chance of one area.
Oh my god. Such a clean 570S. Looks so good. He has to launch it, bro. He has to launch it, bro. If he doesn't launch it, that's why. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace out, guys.